Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to remove your out of hours automatic reply on the new Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. Can I start the tutorial? Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the application Microsoft Outlook. Search for this. Enter to open up the application. Wait for that to load. Once it has loaded, you may have noticed that we have been migrated to the latest version of the application. So that's fine. Now on screen, at the top of the application, you should see a message that says automatic replies are on. For admin at ComputerScienceVideos.com, what we can do is turn this off, or we can go all the way to the top where we have tools, go to automatic replies, and then click on send automatic replies for the account admin. This has now deactivated the message that would be sent if a recipient were to contact you and you're not in office. This would automatically be sent out to them via email. Click on OK. That's fine. So that message on top has now disappeared. Let's go back to tools, go to automatic replies. Let's turn on the replies like we have in the previous tutorial. So this reply would start from 10 o'clock on the 26th of January 2024, would last for 2 days. Click on OK. If we want to, let's just say, turn this off, if you see the message on top of the screen, click on turn off. This has now been deactivated. Go to the top again, go to tools, automatic replies, and there we go. It's all now been deactivated and cancelled. So we can now click on cancel. We can now quit Outlook. So that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.